going on, guys? Just a little short how-to video for anybody who's installing a cold air intake on a 2019 or really any Nismo, Sentra, or SR Turbo. Should be about the same. So right now I've got the stock intake off. Getting it off up here is really easy. You just unscrew the mouth, and down here the directions for this intake I got the Injen intake. Tell you to remove the bumper, but I found it's much easier. There's a little flap right here you can just loosen, and the only reason you need it out is to get that stock snorkel out. So you got a bolt that's like right here, and another one that's right beside of it. They're a little bit of a bitch to get to, but you really don't need to get them from the bottom. I got them from the top, so I'll come at you when it's on with any other tips on how to get it actually on. So. What's up, guys? So got it all installed. Here it is all on the car. Once you get all the old stuff out, it's really easy to put it in. Really didn't have any issues at all. So pretty easy installing. As long as you don't take off the bumper, I think you'll be pretty good. Like, comment, subscribe, and if you have any questions, just comment.